Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete all Facebook Messenger conversations. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, go ahead, simply open up your face, cross this out, and tap on this chat icon on top right corner. And then from this section, go ahead, choose a chat that you would like to delete. Let's say this is the one. And then first of all, what you can do is you can simply long press on the chat that has been from your side. You can tap on delete and you can delete them easily. And let's say especially for the messages, let's say this is the message, long press on it, tap on delete and choose to delete for everyone, and it will be deleted for every single person. Now when you go back and want to delete all messages, all conversation at once, just need to long press on the ID and tap on this section of delete and tap on this delete, and then the chats will be permanently deleted and removed like that. So that's all you need to do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.